I am back. Had a charging situation. So I got cut off and I'm back now. So we're going to finish up the dish. Like I said before, the shrimp is doing its thing. It looks gorgeous, I have to say. And I'm going to put my knife in the sink. Rinse it off a little bit. But it's in the sink. And handling the pasta. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Good. Wash your hands. At least 20 seconds for perfect cleanliness, if they tell us. And I have fallen in love with the industrial paper towels because you can rinse them out and hang them up and reuse them. So I do reuse them at least twice, unless I treat them really badly while I'm cooking, and use them to kind of keep things kind of clean as I go, because I can't stand my kitchen to be messy while I'm cooking, and I hate washing dishes. Now, mind you, this girl loves cooking. We all know that. But I hate washing dishes. So, thank God for the dishwasher. And they tell me it is economically smart to use the dishwasher instead of running the water and keep turning and turning off the water. So, using my dishwasher. So, these 2 dishes in the sink. And with that, throw away some garbage. Shrimp is ready. So, I am going to take a little bit of the water from my pasta. This is my little scooper. Look, my little scooper. And I'm going to wash it off in the glass container. Everything else for a while not being used. I'm going to make sure that's clean. Just clean. This is what I'm talking about, my reusable paper towel. I get to, and I only use it to dry my hands and while I'm cooking, and then I dispose of it. So I'm going to take this and I am going to add some of the pasta water. So I'm going to swoosh around my pasta. Yeah, pasta looking good. And it doesn't take that long with angel hair. And I'm going to add some pasta water. Just a little bit at a time. But I'm adding some pasta water to my sauce. Kind of give it a little bit of density. And let that burn off a little bit. And then I do have some white wine. I have a Pinot Grigio, a nice Pinot. But I'm going to save that for drinking. Yeah, it's not necessary to put it in the meal because I've got the pasta water. So I'm just going to let that do its thing for a minute. I'm going to check on my pasta and see how perfect it is, if it's al dente or not. I need to put the pasta in the container. So shrimp is ready. I am going to, and I don't need to save my pasta water. I know Ina talks about saving the pasta water. Why? More for you. Lean over here in my strainer. Colander. Rinsing that off. I rinse off everything before I use it. I'm going to put it here. And what I like to do is put my colander in inside another bowl. So when I pour off the water, if the pasta slips through the holes in any way, I'm not losing pasta. Okay. So that's the deal right now. We're going to dispose of the pasta water. Most professional cooks just like to take it straight from the pot and use their tongs and Perfect. Go in al dente. It'll finish cooking in the pan. Then add it to the dish. So add it to the dish. I am getting my tongs. I love the ones with plastic.